My name's Debbie Tanner. I'm the Senior Development Officer in Scouts Wales. So my role is mainly managing development officers across Wales, and part of me is a development officer as well. I think it's really important that Scouts of all ages are learning about democracy in Wales, because it helps them understand how they can influence the democratic process. It helps them to contribute and be active citizens, and it really makes them realise that they might feel that they can't make a difference, but they really can make a big difference. And this is what we're doing in Scouting, encouraging young people to make a difference, to have a full and varied life, and to really get their voices heard. I think the partnership that we've got, particularly with regards to the Democracy Badge, is really, really good. There's a huge amount of support that we get, both in terms of resources, bilingual resources, which are fantastic, and also actually coming out and running sessions, which is really valuable because it shows volunteers how the resources can be used and what effect it can have on the young people, and they can go ahead and repeat that with other sections and with other young people. The resources are great. I think that it could be quite a dry session, and the young people learning it need to really be actively engaged, but the resources are fun, and their games and their activities, and I've seen a lot of young people really, really enjoying being engaged and participating and learning and working towards the badge. Thank you very much for all your support. It's great.